Today we're going to focus on the long E sound. That sound can be written in the form of EA or EE. It can also be found as E consonant E. You can find it with the Y, making the sound E. EY makes the sound E. Also, E on its own, as in he, and EI, as in ceiling. The graphemes that we're going to focus on today, though, will be EA, EE, Y for making the sound E, and EY. This is not, E consonant E is not very common, nor is E on its own that common, as well as EI. They're not as common. They can be found, of course, but they're not as common, so we'll focus on the common ones. The first word is fleet. The Navy had a fleet of ships. Number 2, eager. He was eager to go to the park. Number 3, self-esteem. The program increased their self-esteem. 4, noisy. The school ground was noisy. 5, parsley. I love parsley on my fish. Parsley. 6, preacher. The preacher arrived at the church. Preacher. 7, bleach. He used bleach to clean the whites. 8, heavy. The book was heavy. 9, donkey. The donkey was on the farm. And 10, Easter. We celebrate at Easter. So for the spelling, I'm just going to erase this. First one, fleet. L-E-T. L-E-T. E is most common. This spelling, double E, is found in the middle of a word and sometimes at the end, but commonly found in the middle of the word. Eager. E-G-Er. E-G-Er. In this case, we use EA for the E sound. EA is often found in the center of a word or syllable, but sometimes can be found at the beginning. Self-esteem. S-E-L-F-E-M. So back up. S-E-L-F-E-M. Again, the version would be E, double E, most commonly found in the middle of a word. As well, EA can be found in the middle of the word, but there's no rule differentiating between EE and EA. You write them out and see which one looks best. It's kind of a bit of it's a one or the other, but they're found in the middle of a word. Noisy. N-oi-s-e. N-oi-s-e. This case, the end of the word, if you hear the E at the end of the word, it could be a Y or an EY. In this case, it is a Y because noisy is a word that describes things. It's an adjective. So we find just the Y at the end when it's used in a word that's an adjective or even a verb. And I can tell this because I can take this word and I can change it to describe something else. Noise, E, I take off the Y, add an I, E-R, noisier, or noisiest. So I can take this word, which I know is an adjective, and I can change it into something that is greater than. Noisier or noisiest. And therefore, it's just the Y on its own at the end. Next word is parsley. P-R-S-L-E. P-R-S-L-E. This case, the E is at the end of the word, so we know it's an EY or an E, or a Y, but it's an EY in this case. Parsley is not a descriptive word. It is not an adjective, and it's not a verb. It is a noun. It is something. I cannot change this to parsleyer or parsleyest. It stays as parsley, so it is an EY. It is a thing, a noun. Preacher. P-R-E-Ch-er. P-R-E-Ch-er. E is found in the middle of the word. The E sound. E-A found in the middle of the word. Number 7, bleach. B-L-E-Ch. B-L-E-Ch. Middle of the word. Heavy. Huh. Oopsies. Huh. E. V. E. Huh. Eh. This is actually a different version. That's a bit of a trick there for you. EA can also make the S sound. H, E, V, E. This is what I'm focusing on. Oh, darn it. This is what I'm focusing on. Heavy. Heavy is, again, an adjective. It's describing the book is heavy. So I know it's going to be just the Y on its own, because I can take that Y and make the book heavier. H, E, V. Take off the Y and add an I-E-R, or heaviest. It's a descriptive word. It's an adjective, so it's just the Y on its own, because in that way I can take that Y off and make it into a heavier or heaviest. I can change the value of it. Number 9 is donkey. D-A-N-K-E. D-A-N-K-E. E at the end of the word is going to be an EY or a Y, but it is an EY in this case because donkey is a thing. It's a noun. I can't change it to donkeyer or donkeyest. It stays EY. Final word is Easter. E-S-T-er. E-S-T-er. EA is used to make the sound E. It's found at the beginning of the word. EA, as I said, is often in the middle and sometimes at the beginning. EA, often in the middle, sometimes at the beginning. EE, often in the middle and sometimes at the end. And EY is used when it's a noun and it's found at the end, such as donkey, and Y, found at the end of a word, but it's used for words that are descriptive words or verbs. Okay?